Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, my name is Chance David Akiki, and I have come with another recording. I think today we are going to purposely look at Microsoft Word. How most people get complications on how to deal with Microsoft Word. So if you don't have any knowledge about Word, the only thing you have to first know is that you have to come and look for where the word icon is. For example, this is a word. Though I had opened very many windows, I would need to close all these so that they can start afresh. So you come on the start button here, then you click there, you come and search from here, you write word, just write the word. The application will come and open Word here. The Word window will be in position to open on our desktop. It is opening. So the window, it opens like this. The Word window opens like this. Now assume you have your content. I will not take time to write the content. I think you can just generate some AI content here. So I'm just looking for the content which you can put on our Word. Excuse me. So sure, we have gotten this content. Assume we have this content. Control copy. Then I come on my Word. I paste this content there. So we have our content like this. Now this is the content which we have. There are things which we can do with Word document. Now you can come and maybe this is our heading. Would wish to make it bold. You come and highlight it. Highlighting, you put a cursor here. You drag to highlight the word. Then you put it in bold like this. And after putting it in bold, you see this icon. It is the same thing which is here on the nav bar. Come, you highlight. Then you come here. You can increase the font size of your heading. Any size that you want. Then if assume that is our heading and you want to center our heading, you again do what? You highlight it, then you come here and look for where the center is. You click center, surely our heading will be in the center. So maybe this is out of our document. What can we do else with the word? You can highlight and do what we call line spacing. Line spacing, want to put a space between these two lines, you come and determine, there is an icon here for line spacing. Which distance do you want from one line to the other? The recommended one is always 1.5. Click on 1.5. Then you can highlight everything. Highlighting everything, you can use Ctrl A. Then you justify. You can justify the document. There is a justify icon there, or you can just click Ctrl J. So I justify it so that everything can start at the same line and again end at the same line. So after we are done with our document, writing our document, let it be a letter, let it be in a document. The most important thing is saving our document. Saving our document. How do we save our document? We shall need to create a folder. We shall need a folder. For example, maybe, I don't know, if there are people who don't know how to create a folder, you come here on the desktop or anywhere you want to create a folder. It can be in documents. You right click. Right clicking, I mean you click on the mouse by the side. Then you right click. After right clicking, you come to new. Then you select folder. You see the name of the folder would come. I'm going to write it I'm going to put their practice as its name. Practice. So you already have our folder, and the folder, it is, I don't know, in common terms, I can say it is like a bucket, or it can be a container, a basket. For example, you have a basket of clothes. You have a basket of which collects maybe fruits. You have mangoes there, you have pineapples and others. So this is our basket, this is our container which helps us to keep the files. Now what we have here is a file, and we would like to save it into the what? Into the folder which you have just created. There are options of saving. You can press Ctrl S, then it will take you to saving. There is this button you are seeing here, you can click there and then it will take you to saving. Else you can go to file and you go to save as. So when you go to save as, you look for the location where you have put your what? Where you have put your folder. I'll just come on browse. I browse where I put my folder, then it was surely created on desktop. I come here and look for the folder practice which I created. You can navigate or you can search from here. You can search or you can navigate through, you move through. If you move through and you don't get your folder, then you can search. So I'm able to see my folder. I will click on it. Then before that, sorry, you make sure that the file name, you give the file name depending on what you are doing. For me, I would call my file as Word document, then select practice, then open that folder and I save my file there. So surely my file is saved. Even if I can't save everything, it means I can be able to find that file in the folder practice. So I come here, this is my folder where I have saved my file. I think you can save file in there. I come here and I double click to open. Then if it opens, I will see my Word document there. I can click on it again to open, and I can maximize this. I think you can see that our folder is indeed created in what? It is indeed created in our folder. Our file is saved in our folder, and I don't want to keep this recording so long. I can stop here. We meet in the next recording. Thank you very much.